To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Let's talk about an important subject, which is zoom. Why is it important? Well, it involves optical and digital zoom. There are some limiting factors with iPhone photography, and one of those is the zoom function. So let's explain the difference between the two. Optical zoom is using the glass in the lens to get closer to the subject without moving physically forward. It magnifies the image naturally with a set of lenses in its small barrel. Digital zoom crops into the entire photo that the sensor sees in the camera. It then digitally crops into the photo, reducing the quality and increasing pixelation. The iPhone 7 Plus, 8 Plus, 10 and 11 have a 2x optical zoom, which you can use without real issues. Earlier models rely on digital zoom to get closer to the subject. It all depends how important the image is, or are you just using the photo for a reference and not for photography? On earlier models that don't show zoom numbers in the bottom of the frame, if you do a small pinch, you will see the zoom slider pop up. Now you can record and then use your thumb to slowly zoom in and out. With the iPhone 7 onwards, you can see a ×1 or a ×2 in the new models. You can use the speed tapping between ×1 and ×2. Alternatively, if you place your thumb on the number and then move to the right, you will see a zoom wheel that you can slowly move around. For iPhone 11 users, when you place your thumb and move the wheel, you will see the segments of the different lenses. You will also feel a vibration as it hits each of the segments. After 2 times, you will go into a digital zoom. To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.